Greetings, Jeffrey Evans here. Welcome to InstantAuthor. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to characters. So I'm going to go up here to create character and show you some of the options that exist here. Basic information, the name of the character, the role, and the role they play could be a protagonist and antagonist, supporting mentors, sidekick, or foil. Then we go on and we have their physical appearance, their age, their height, build, eye color, hair color, distinguishing features, style of dress. All of these help you keep things consistent in your writing. We'll get a personality traits. You can add strengths, add weaknesses, fears, desires, habits, and quirks. And then we'll go to the background. Where were they born, their education, their occupation, family history, significant events and skills they may have. And then lastly, we have the character arc. What is their initial state at the beginning of the story? What is their motivation? What are their conflicts? What are their growth points? And what is your final state? Now, most of the books that I do are not fiction. All right? So I'm really looking for your feedback on how well this works for you, and we will adjust accordingly. So when I was testing it out as an example, I used characters from The Hobbit, and in this case, I picked Bilbo Baggins. He's a protagonist, and I go through and I explain some of these things to the AI, and I can add a relationship to other characters. Okay, so this is sort of how we pull a fiction story together, at least to give you a solid base to work with. And it is in the outline where we turn around and we add these characters to where they're going to appear in this story. Thank you. Thanks for joining me today in exploring how to create memorable characters for your stories. I hope this walkthrough has given you some fresh insights and inspiration to build your own characters, whether for fiction or beyond. Until next time, keep writing, keep creating, and stay inspired.